Assalamualaikum students, hope all you are fine. Today we are going to start lecture number 2, subject zoology first year pre-medical, lecture number 2. Unit number 1, cell structure and functions. Topic name is protein of plasma membranes. Today our topic is protein of plasma membranes, in which we study about channel proteins and carrier proteins. The protein within a membrane find out most of the specific functions. Certain plasma membrane proteins are involved in the passage of the molecule through the membrane. Some of those have channel through which a substance simply can move across the membrane. Other are the carriers that combine with the substance. In this figure, you can see the cytoplasm, extracellular fluid, and channel protein. Plasma membrane proteins are involved in the passage of the molecule through the membrane. Some of proteins have a channel through which a substance simply can move across the membrane. Another figure of channel protein in which a substance simply can move across the membrane. It provides a way for the movement of the molecules. Others are the carrier protein that combine with a substance and help it to move across the membrane. Here this figure shows the extracellular space or intracellular space. Phospholipid bilayer in which molecule combine with a carrier protein to move across the membrane. Another figure, this figure shows the both channel protein and carrier protein. The plasma membrane protein are involved in the passage of the molecule through the membrane. Some of protein have a channel through which a substance simply can move across the membrane. And second is a carrier protein that combine with a substance and help it to move across the membrane. Next is the enzymes or enzymatic proteins. Enzymatic protein catalyze the biochemical reaction that occur in the cell. Another definition of enzymes is a proteinous compound which speed up the chemical reaction. Enzymes. Some plasma protein have an enzymatic function and carry out the metabolic reaction directly, or the plasma membrane acts like enzymes. For example, epithelial cell lining, microvillus on the epithelial cell, and some part of the gut contains a digestive enzyme in their cell surface membrane. Gut is alimentary canal, digestive tract, which help in digestion and increase the surface area. Next is receptor molecules. Some protein in plasma membrane are receptors. Here this figure shows the extracellular space or intracellular space. Phospholipid bilayer in which molecule combine with a carrier protein to move across the membrane. Some protein of plasma membrane act as a receptor. Each type of a receptor has a shape that allows a specific molecule to bind it. The binding of a molecule can cause the protein to change its shape and bring about an intracellular response. For example, hormones are chemical messengers circulating in the blood but only bind to a specific target cell which have the correct receptor site. And what is hormone? Hormones are the chemical messenger in multicellular organism produced in one part of the body and transport to another part where it affects the metabolism. Next is the antigens. All cell possesses the antigen in their cell membrane surface which act as a marker. An antigen is a molecule which can cause antibody formation. The immune response is the production of antibodies in response to the antigens. In simple words, antigen is the attacker cell which attack the body. In response, production of antibodies. In this figure, RBCs, red blood cell, antigens attack on RBCs. Last is energy transfer. The protein present on membrane take parts in energy transfer system. For example, respiration in mitochondria and photosynthesis in chloroplast. Role of plasma membrane with its environment. It regulates material moving into and out of the cell, means exchange of material inside and outside the membrane. It secretes useful substances such as enzyme and hormones. Enzymes are the proteinous compound which speed up the chemical reaction, and hormones are the chemical messenger which is present in bloodstream and move one part of the body and other. Next is it remove waste and toxic substance such as ammonia, urea and uric acid. These are the waste product. It keeps a constant favorable ionic concentration within the cell for enzymatic activities and for the nervous and the muscular activities. For the transport of substance across the plasma membrane take place by the process of endocytosis, by the process of exocytosis and by the process of osmosis and diffusion. Another figure. This figure shows the both channel protein and carrier protein. Plasma membrane protein are involved in the passage of the molecule through the membrane. Some of protein have a channel through which a substance simply can move across the membrane. And second is a carrier protein that combine with a substance and help it to. And what is exocytosis? Exo means outside. During the exocytosis, Greek exo means out, cytose means cell. For example, insulin leave the insulin secreting cell by this process, means move outside the cell. Endocytosis, during the process of endocytosis, endo means move inside. Endo means inside and cytose means cell. Exo and endo. Exo outside, endo means inside. Cytosis means cell. Endocytosis. In this process, cell take the substance by vesicle formation. Next is phagocytosis. Phago means to eat and cytose means cell. When the material taken in by endocytosis is large, such as a food particle, the process is called phagocytosis. For example, Unit number 1, Cell Structure and Functions. Topic name is Protein of Plasma Membranes. Thank you students for watching this lecture.